What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at the Noesis F10 Pro robotic vacuum and floor mop. This robot is super cool because it's the world's first that can change its own mop pad. So it's got this automatic Omni base station, and it will replace the mop pad on every clean so that you have a fresh mop pad for each cleaning session. Also, the robot is really strong. It's got 5,000 Pascal of suction power. It's got an auto-empty dust bin, so you can go up to 3 months without emptying the robot at all. And the clean water tank holds about 2 liters, and that will last you for about 2 weeks of maintenance-free cleaning. So let's go ahead, unbox this product, and check it out. So inside the box of the Noesis F10 Pro, we have a quick start guide, Omni base station, accessories box, and the robot itself. This here is a box full of accessories. We have the mop tray, mop plate, dust bag, cleaning solution, fragrance cube, and power cord. Lifting this will show us the Omni base station. And a further look inside the box, we have the actual robot itself. Let's unpack this and explore its features. As mentioned earlier, it includes auto-changing mop pads and features advanced dynamic scrub technology, which effectively scrubs your floors. We'll demonstrate this technology later in the video. This robot features LiDAR navigation on the top. Here is the home button and play button. In the front are the sensors and camera for that neural dual vision obstacle avoidance technology. On the back of the robot, we can see the charging prongs, along with a manual on-off switch and a reset button. And now we have the side sweep bristles, which effectively reach deep into corners and edges, ensuring thorough removal of dirt, dust, and debris. And in the center, there's a rubber roller, which is actually more effective than the bristles because it won't get tangled with hair and pet fur. We'll attach the mop to this here. So here is the mop. We simply just place it right on top. Let's lift up the Omni base station and unpack it. This particular model boasts the most powerful features among all Omni base stations, offering a wide array of advanced functionalities. Now, let's take a look at the Omni base station and remove any tape covering it so we can see the inside it. Here is the mop pad box, which replaces the mop pad on every clean so that you have a fresh mop pad for each cleaning session, and it can hold up to 40 mop pads. And below is the box for collecting used mop pads. This dirty mop pad box is capable of holding 20 mop pads until disposal or laundering. And here we insert our new mop pads in the box and put it back to the base station. Now, the next part of the setup is to install the mop tray, which has an arrow pointing this way. Simply insert it into the robot, where a series of magnets will smoothly pull it into position. The final step of the setup process is to attach the guide plate, and that completes the setup of our Omni base station successfully. At the top of the base station, you can see we already have a dust bin installed in here, and you'll find another dust bag included in the accessories box. And then this is the clean water tank. The clean water tank is 2 liters. It goes about 2 weeks worth of mopping. The dust bin is about 2.5 liters, and that will probably last you about 3 months or more. Let's fill this with clean water. Now we just reinsert the clean water tank after filling it, and here is the cleaning solution. If you would like, you can add a few drops of cleaning solution to the liquid, and you can also insert the fragrance cube, and this fragrance cube gets inserted into a little slot here. Now, let's close this up, and let's go ahead, plug it up, and set up the robot. Let's insert the power cord onto the back of the robot and plug this into the wall. Here is the robot vacuum itself. Let's check it out. The inside we have a dust bin as well as a cleaning tool. And then we have home button and play button. I'm going to first turn it on, and there is a manual on switch located here. You can see the robot is lighting up, and I'm going to go ahead and place it inside of the dock to let it charge. So the robot is now charging, and I'd like to show you guys this cool little display that the Noesis base station has. So here is the base station. You can see it has an indicator for the charge status, and it looks amazing. So let it charge, and then we'll use it. In order to use it, you just need to download the app, and for this, you need to scan the QR code, which is provided at the Quick Start Guide, and it will take you to the Google Play Store or Apple Store, whatever do you have. As I already have it, so let's open it and check it out. Now we need to add our robot vacuum, so let's add it. Here you can see it's showing us the Noesis F10 Pro. Let's click on it. It will ask you to follow the operation process, like turning on the robot, and once you are done, mark it as complete. And after this, you need to press the Wi-Fi reset button so it can detect your Wi-Fi easily. And now you need to enter your router's Wi-Fi password and then click on Next, and then it will take you to the Wi-Fi settings, on which you will see the Wi-Fi with the name of Noesis. Refresh it if it's not showing. Here is the Noesis. Connect with it, and then go back to the app, and then the app will start the configuring process. Wait for the process to complete, and in case it's stuck at the 80% bar, just repeat the process again, and make sure the robot and phone are near to the Wi-Fi router. After completing the setup, it will play a sound like networking completed. Now, we have successfully set up our robot vacuum. You can give it to any name, whatever you like, and here is the Noesis Home app. You can select different modes in it, like vacuum and mop mode, or vacuum-only mode, etc. Plus, you can select the cleaning preferences, like deep cleaning or normal cleaning, and further down, you can select the how many times it will clean the particular place. And furthermore, you can also customize the settings, like when to change its mop pad. Let's say after this particular time, change its mop pad. Now let's map our house by going to Map Management section. And now it's going to ask you how you want it to map your house. You can do a quick map, which it'll do a very quick scan of the house, or you can also do a map while cleaning. So on its first clean, it will map the house. I'll go ahead and do a quick map, and now you can see the robot is coming out and starting to map our house. And after the mapping is done, you can save it. So after the robot has mapped your house for the first time, you'll see that map at the center of the screen, and you'll see mine says room 1 and room 2. And then along the top of the app, we have the battery for the robot, the time it took for it to do its last tasks, the space in square feet, and the current status of the robot. Now, let's go ahead and show you the robot in action. One of the most impressive features of the F10 Pro is its D-shaped design, a feature that sets it apart from the usual round robot vacuums. This innovative design ensures that Florio reaches every corner and edge of your home, preventing the buildup of dirt in those hard-to-reach places. With Florio, you can trust that every inch of your floor receives the attention it deserves. Whether it's beneath furniture or along baseboards, Florio's D-shaped build ensures comprehensive cleaning performance that surpasses expectations. It also comes with mop lift technology. This remarkable feature automatically elevates both the mop pad and brush when transitioning between rooms, ensuring that each area receives a thorough and hygienic cleaning without any cross-contamination. What we truly appreciate about this vacuum is its dual neural vision technology. It is just like human eyes. With an AI camera and stereo vision sensors, this innovative system allows the vacuum to detect and smoothly navigate around obstacles with remarkable precision. This advanced technology sets it apart from other robot vacuums and ensures an unparalleled level of accuracy in cleaning. This robot vacuum and mop combo is truly a versatile cleaning powerhouse. Its robust 5100 Pascal suction power and rubber sweeping brushes make quick work of clearing debris from your carpets, leaving them spotless. What's truly impressive is its seamless transition between cleaning modes. It automatically lifts the mop pad by 20 mm when it detects carpet, ensuring no damage or unnecessary wetness, and effortlessly adjusts its suction power for optimal performance on various surfaces throughout your home. Its advanced dynamic scrub mopping feature is a sophisticated cleaning technology that goes above and beyond to eradicate even the most entrenched dirt and grime from your hard floors. With its innovative design and powerful scrubbing action, it penetrates deep into the surface, lifting away stubborn stains and leaving your floors impeccably clean. This advanced functionality ensures that every inch of your hard floors receives a thorough and comprehensive cleaning. The floor is very clean. It's not too moist. You can adjust it in the app as well. And once the floor is all finished mopping, the robot will return to the dock where it will replace the mop pad. So next time when you mop, it will have a fresh mop pad. Now, let's see how it will change its mop pad.
Changing mop pad. Please wait.
So here are where the used mop pads go, and you can see it's picked up some dirt in here. It can hold up to 20 dirty mop pads, and you just dump that in the trash, and you're ready to go. So thank you guys for watching. Again, this is the Noesis F10 Pro model. If you guys find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Check out my channel for tech videos. Subscribe. I'll leave a link down below to the product, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.